We start 5th standard maths chapter number 1 looking back. We know what is a counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the number are called counting number. Counting number is also called a natural number. When 0 is including, the counting number is called whole number. Any natural number, if 0 is included, is called whole number. Whole number is indicated by W. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is called whole number. Numerals. Names or symbol used to represent number are called numerals. We start place value chart. Ones, thousand, lakhs. Ones indicate ones, 10, 100, 3 periods. Thousand, thousand and 10,000. Lakhs, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Ones is a 1 digit. 2 tens is a comes in 2 digit. 100 is come to the 3 digits. 1000 is come 4 digit. 10,000 is come 5 digit. And lakhs is come 6 digit. And 10 lakhs come to 7 digit. If the number is 2543276, we read as 25 lakhs 43,276. Here is the standard form. If they write the number expanded form, we write 20 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 6. This is the standard form and this is the expanded form for this number. We start self-practice exercise 1. The smallest counting number is, what is the smallest counting number is? 1. What is the smallest whole number is? 0. We write 13,586 is called 13,586. The face value of the digit at that place is the same as its place value. Write ones. 7 is at the face. 7 is at the place in 79,325 is 10,000. Is the place, not a place value. Okay. The predecessor of the successor of the largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Is the successor of this is 10,000. Is number is a predecessor, that means 9,999. Write each of the following number in words. This is the homework for your question. Write the following numbers name in numerals. First, 54,709. We write 54,709. 87,060. 87,060. C, D, E and homework. What is the place value of 9 in the following number? What is the place value of this number? 99,000. What is the place value of this number? 9,000. This number is 9. This number is 90. And this number is 900. You can done in your notebook. Write the first question and you can write the answer. Okay. Here is the complete for. ईशा लास्ट है ना. Question number 7. Counting by 5, write the number from A. 8,723 to 8,743. Counting by 5, that means starting from this number and plus 5. Okay. आपको ये नंबर दिया गया है, इसमें आपको कितना ऐड करना है, +5. After this again you adding the +5 and comes to this number. Okay, we start here. First we add 8723 plus 5 is come 8728. Okay, again we add this number 8728 plus 5. This come 8, 7, 8 and 5, 3, 33. Okay, we again 8, 7, 3, 3 plus 5. Again this number is come 8, 7, 3, 8. Again this number plus is come 8743. We stop this number because this number is come 8743. Okay, again we repeat this number starting from number 8723, counting by 5, that means each number we add +5. Starting 8723 plus 5 is comes 8728. Okay, we again plus 5, 8728 plus 5, that means number is come 8733. Again we add this number 8733 plus 5 is come 8738. We plus 5 again is come 8743. You can write in your notebook and also homework B and C. 8th question is from the largest and the smallest possible number made from each of the following number group of digit. You can give to 5 number and you make the largest or smallest possible number. Okay, first we write here A 43502. Making the largest number, we start all digit is greatest number. Which number is greatest number here is 5. Second greatest number is 4. Third 3. 4 2. Last number is 0. Show this number. 54,320 is the largest number of this 5 digit. Okay, again we start the smallest number. Okay, this number is smallest number is 0, but we not take here is 0 because if we take here 0, that means this number is 4 digit. Okay, अगर हम इसमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर 0 है. ओके, अगर हम इस 0 को इस प्लेस पे रख देंगे तो हमारा जो नंबर फॉर्म होगा वो फॉर्म नंबर हमारा क्या हो जाएगा 4 डिजिट का, जो कि क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है. इसलिए हम जब भी हम इस नंबर को लेंगे तो 0 को हम किस प्लेस पे रखेंगे, सेकेंड प्लेस पे. तो अभी यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पेज पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा? सेकेंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. विच इज़ द सेकेंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज हियर? 2 is come 2 0 3 4 5 is the number is 20,345. If give the any other question is 9 8 6 0 5 2. Okay, largest number and smallest number. Which is the highest number is here? 9. Second 8 6 5 2 0. Again repeat this number. What is the smallest number? 0. But we take 2. 2 0 5 6 8 9. 9,86,520 and the smallest number is 2,05,689. Okay, I have completed this exercise self practice 1 done in your notebook and also done your homework. We start question number 5. Find the difference between the place value of. First is 824 in 60,474. We can write 24 gives to 60,474. First 4 is the place value of 400. What is the place value of this number? 4 is 400. Second 4 is the place value of this number 4. We subtract 400 minus 4. If not subtract 0 by 4, we borrow the coming nearest number 0. Again we borrow the nearest number 4. 4 is come 3 is come 10. 10 borrow the number 10 is comes 9. That means 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 is comes 3. Second question is 27 in 70,479. One method do also use in this method. You can write ones, 10, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. What is the first 7 is the value of here? 7,000. First 7 is 70,000. Okay, 7,000. Second 7 is 70. We subtract 0, subtract by 0. Borrow this number is come 10 minus 7 is come 3. 9, 9 and 7. Subtract by 7. Borrow this number, so comes in 6. Here is 6930. Okay, easily understand to you. You can question number C in your homework. Sixth question is arrange the following number in ascending order. What is the ascending order? Is lowest to greatest number. First come in lowest number, second lowest number, after that greatest number. Okay. Second is arrange the following number in descending order. That means greatest to lowest number. You can done in your notebook.